Okay, doing a walk around. This is a 1950 Chevy. This truck is got a Nova front stub on it. It's got a nice 4-link C-notch setup in the back with coil overs, so sits really low and still rides real nice. Power steering, power brakes, 350 motor, 350 trans. Killer patina. New glass, the interior's in good shape. Nice seat, B&M shifter, Speedo, oil, water, or temp, volt, and fuel gauges. Does have the vacuum wipers, so they're a little bit slow, but they do work. A fuel cell under the wood bed in the back. Duals, headers with duals coming out the side there. Power steering, power brakes, new radiator, lots of new stuff, new wiring, new glass. Nice looking truck. The issue I had with it had a backfire when I got it. Put a new Holley Carb on it, still didn't take care of it. Got the timing set best we could. Mechanic tells me that it's got a racing distributor in it with no vacuum advance. That could be an issue, or could have a valve issue. But under just normal driving, drives fine. Heavy acceleration and higher RPMs, it'll backfire.